O thou hyacinth, which hast sprung up beside the heavenly stream, let thyself be reared in the cradle of the loving providence of God, and suck the milk of divine knowledge from the breast of his bounty. Be thou nurtured in the meadows of the grace of God, and become verdant and fresh in the garden of true knowledge, that thou mayest grow as a peerless plant in the orchard of divine unity, as a flower in the garden of his tender mercy, and be a bright candle shedding light upon the gathering of the friends, a radiant lamp aglow at the reunions of the beloved ones of God. O Lord, graciously assist this child to grow and be quickened in the meads of thy tender affection. Thou art verily the Bestower, the Merciful, the Compassionate. May the glory of God rest upon thee. Abdu'l-Bahá.